State true or false. Cube of any odd number is even. So
False.
it is a false statement. If we do the cube of odd number, it will be odd. It will not be even. Second part, a perfect cube does not end with two zeros. What do you say?
Ma'am, I don't know this.
No problem. So see, if I say Anmol has entered, just a minute. Good evening, Anmol. We are doing question number 2, Anmol. And I have discussed first part, that is, it is not even, it is odd. So it is a false statement that we have discussed till now. And now a perfect cube does not end with two zeros. This is a true statement. Why it is true? Like you can see fourth part, it is ending with three zeros. So if it is a perfect cube, it has to be end with three zeros, six zeros, nine zeros. It should be, zeros should be multiple of three. Their numbers I am talking about, like here it is three zeros. So it can end with three zero, it can end with six zero. Okay, but it will never end with two zero. So this is a true statement.
Okay, ma'am.
So let's come to the third part. If a square of a number ends with 5, then its cube ends with 25.
Ma'am, it is false.
Dhriti, it is true. See how? If a square of a number ends with 5, so let's say if I have taken 5 and if I'm taking its square, so its square is like, it is ending with 5, and if I take its cube, so 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125. So yes, it is ending with 25. Okay, so we can proceed to the fourth one. There is no perfect cube which ends with 8.
Ma'am, false.
This is a false statement because अगर आप 12 लेते हो, 2 का क्यूब मतलब बेसिकली, so if you do the 12 cube, तो 12 का क्यूब होता है 1728. सो इट इज एंडिंग विथ 8. और अगर आप 2 का क्यूब लेते हो, सो यस इट इज एंडिंग विथ 8. सो दिस स्टेटमेंट इज फॉल्स. Let's move to the fifth part. the cube of 2-digit number may be 3-digit number.
Ma'am, false.
It is a false statement. Why? Because if I take the smallest 2-digit number and if I find its cube, so its cube will be 4-digit number. So smallest I am talking about, it is not a 3-digit number, it is a 4-digit number. So the statement is false. Sixth, the cube of 2-digit number may have 7 or more digits.
Ma'am, false. It can only have till 6 digits.
वेरी गुड. अगर आप 2 डिजिट का क्यूब करते हो तो इफ यू ट्राई फॉर 99, 99 इज द लार्जेस्ट 2-डिजिट नंबर. अगर आपका इसका क्यूब निकालते हो देन इट विल कम इन 6 डिजिट. Seventh, the cube of a single digit number may be a single digit number.
True.
True. Why? You can say, example, if you take the cube of 2, then it is 8. So this completes the true false. Please write all answers with examples also.
Ma'am, written.
What about Anmol?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now we will be moving to question number 3. So question number 3 is a different type of question. That method is called method of estimation. So let me explain the method of estimation to you first. Okay. So what is method of estimation? Like if the number is 857375 and if I have to find its cube root, then how can I find its cube root? I can find its cube root by prime factorization or by method of estimation. So what is the method of estimation? For that you have to make the group of 3 from the rightmost corner. So if you look at the rightmost corner, the first group is 375, another is 857. Okay, so please make the group. Then after making the group, you can see the first group is ending with 5. So if it is ending with 5, then what should come at the unit place? It should be 5. Cube of 5 will end at 5. So I will write 5 here. Now if I look at 857, so for 857, I have to check the cubes. So 9 cube, I know it is 729 and 10 cube is 1000. So I will be estimating it like smaller. So I will put 729 is smaller than 857 and 1000 is greater. So I will be putting 9 here. Okay, so how I have estimated? I have made the pair of group of 3 digits. Then I am looking at the unit place of first group. So I will write the unit place accordingly. Then I will be looking at the second group, and for that I have to recall the values of Q, and I have to take the smaller one, not bigger one. Like if you have understood it little bit, then I will tell you another number.
Ma'am, understood.
Okay, so please write it in your copy, then I will tell you the example number 8 also.
Ma'am, written.
Okay. So if I have to find the cube root of this number by estimation, so I will be making the group starting from the rightmost digit, group of 3 digits. So its unit place is 6. So what should I write which is having 6 after cube as at its unit place? So it is 6 itself. 6 6 are 36, 36 6 are 216. So I am writing 6 here. Now if you look, it is 17. So I am just recalling 2 cube is 8
8.
and 3 cube is 27. So 27 will be bigger. So I will restrict myself to the smaller one. So what is the correct answer? Answer is 86. सॉरी 8 हमने लिख दिया है, 2 है, 2 का क्यूब निकाला है ना हमने, 26. It is 2. So I have to write 2. जैसे हमने 9 निकाला था तो 9 लिखा था, तो यहाँ पे क्या लिखेंगे? 26.
Ma'am, done.
So now comes question number 3. You are told 1331 is a perfect cube. Can you guess without factorization what is its cube root? So I have to estimate its cube root. So I have to make the pair of group 1 is made up of 331 and this is 1. So I have to look at 1 unit place. If it is 1, then what should I write? So 1 cube is 1. 3 cube is 3 9s are 23 27. 7 से end होता है. 4 cube end होता है. 4 4 जा 16. 16 4 जा 64. 4 से. 5 cube 5 से. 6 cube 6 से. 7 cube 3 से. 8 cube 2 से. 9 cube 9 से. So it is only 1. And what is this 1? So I can check 1 cube is 1. So I will write 1. So the answer of cube root of 1331 is estimated as 11.
Okay, ma'am.
So now please write it, then we will be estimating the cube root of 4913 also.
Ma'am, written.
Anmol?
Yes, ma'am.
So 4913. If I have to estimate its cube root, I will make first group, second group. So when you look at this, 3. So what should I write? 7 sevens are 49. 49 sevens are, it is ending with 3. So I will write 7. 7 cube is ending with 3. So I am estimating कि unit place पे 7 होगा number के. If you look at 4, then 1 cube is 1 and 2 cube is 8. So 8 is bigger. So I am taking it as 17. So please check. Are you getting the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So next we can try for estimation of 12167. So the process will be same. Make a group of 3 digit, then whatever is left, that will make the second group. So when you look at this is 7. So it should be 3 threes are 9, 9 threes are 27. So it should be 3. Do you agree? या तो 3 होगा या और क्या हो सकता है?
Ma'am, 5.
5 का क्यूब करोगे तो वो तो 5 से ही एंड होगा ना धृति?
Yes, ma'am.
तो इट इज 3. 5 क्यूब करोगे तो वो तो 5 से ही एंड होगा, पर ये तो 7 से एंड हो रहा है. तो 3 का क्यूब जो है वो 7 से एंड होगा. 3 थ्रीज आर 9, 9 थ्रीज आर 27. अगर अब आप एस्टिमेट करोगे 12 को, तो 2 cube is 8 and 3 cube is 27.
27.
So it should be smaller वाला लेते हैं हम. So it should be 23. तो आपको पहले ग्रुप बनाना है, फिर एस्टिमेशन करनी है. तो लास्ट वाला आप दोनों को खुद से करना है. 32768 का क्यूब रूट.
Ma'am, the answer is 32.
How much?
32.
32 is correct answer, Dhriti. So we have to estimate it. So make a pair of 3 and then whatever is left. So it is ending with 8. So it should be 2 cube, 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8. So we have estimated first is 2. Now 32, I know 3 cube is 27 and 4 cube is 64. So I will be taking 3 as my answer. So correct answer is 32. So we have completed this whole chapter, cube and cube root. Now do tell me, is there any, I mean to say, is there any test aligned at your school?